How to share your Amo account easy and quick. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to share Amo on your other apps on your phone easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Amo application. Once you are here, click on your profile up there. Now all you need to do is click on share Amo, which is the second before the last option. Click on it, and here you have a lot of options. You can choose wherever you want of those options. For example, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, wherever you want, and share Amo to these apps to share your profile and those things. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful for you, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like.